Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, today we are going to start session number 9, Maintain Workplace Safety. So, let us learn about workplace. So, workplace is an area where a person works. It may be a organization, company, or school. Safety. Safety means to keep ourselves safe and secure in the workplace. So we can say that workplace safety refers to the working environment of a company, school, office, wherever a person is working. Environment means surrounding. It also includes all the factors that impact the safety, health, and well-being of the employees. Different types of safety rules to be followed at workplace are: first is fire safety, falls and slips safety, electrical safety, and last is use of first aid. Basic fire safety rules. So rare chance, but sometime it happens. So we should keep in mind while working in any organization, what should we do when fire happens. So to protect ourselves from fire, we should follow the basic fire safety rule. First is fire escape plans must be installed at proper levels. Second, conduct regular drills. Third one is maintenance of safety equipment must be taken care of regularly. If you have any equipment of fire safety, it should be checked properly and time to time. When we are working in any company, so we move from one floor to another, right? Upstairs, downstairs. So we should follow the following falls and slips safety rules when we are walking. First one is workplace must be proper ventilated. Ventilated means proper windows are there. Second is floors must be clean and dry. Oil spills, dust must be immediately cleaned. If any dust is there, we should clean it immediately. Smoke alarms must be placed at proper intervals. Keep workplace a no smoking zone. It means workplace provide clean air to employees. Electrical safety rules. Electrical means related with electricity. So first one is electrical equipments approved by a recognized organization. Means we should always purchase or buy electrical thing from reputed organizations. Damaged and hazardous electrical equipment should be immediately replaced. All old and workout and fried switches and fire should be changed. If any equipment and switches the old and damaged, we should change immediately. Heat emanating equipment should be kept away from the electrical equipment. It means if there is any such equipment inside workplace which emit the heat, so we should kept away from the electrical equipments. Take care that the outlet circuit should be not be overloaded. We should not put more plugs in one switch. Rules of first aid. We all know first aid is a first help. So what rules we should follow? First is ensure the injured to remain calm and not to panic. If any injury, so don't be panic, keep calm and relax. Second is keep them warm if they are under shock. If any person under shock may be physically or mentally. then keep them warm. Do not move the victim in case of back or neck injury. If any person have any injury, then no need to move. When we are working any area, we should always keep in mind the following safety rules. Let's start the next topic, prevent accidents and emergency. In this, we will get to know about accidents and emergencies, as well as information how we prevent ourselves from emergencies. Accident. An accident is an unplanned event that may happen all of a suddenly happened, and may lead to unwanted or unprecedented result or outcomes. It means accident is a event that no one can imagine or think. Or it can be defined as an unfortunate incident that occurs unintentionally, result or injury or unwanted result. In an incident that unintentionally, not intentionally, we can do. Emergency. What is emergency? Any unexpected situation that needs immediate attention and action. When we need to take immediate action, that is emergency. Any emergency situation may pose a certain risk of life. If you not take any decision on time, maybe you lost your life, property, health, etc., and needs intervention to prevent deteriorating result and hazards. Types of accidents. So accidents at workplace, industrial disease illness, road traffic accidents, clinical accidents, and last is sports related accidents. So let us learn about the accidents of different types. First is accidents at workplace. So slips and fall accident and fire. We already learned about this in the workplace topic. Industrial disease or illness. Due to industrial explosion and smoking, there are lung disease, and due to chemicals, the skin problem and illness. Next is road traffic accident. Look at the picture. There are some road accidents. Then some people may die and injuries if any accident on the road. Now question arise in mind are what are clinical accident? Clinical accident due to use of unclean surgical equipments, overdose of any drug. These are the clinical accidents. Sports related accidents. Any mishappen while playing are called sports related accidents, which result is spinal injuries and broken bones. So let us learn about the emergency that required evacuation. Evacuation means removal of person or things from an endangered area. Right. So first is fire. Fire, explosion, floods, earthquake, hurricane, tornado. These are the natural disasters. Next is toxic material release. Toxic material release which oil spilled. Civil disturbance. This is the dispute between the employees in the workplace. So all these are the emergency situations which required evacuation. Now we need to learn how we handle accident, means handling accidents. First is every organization must follow SOP for accident handling. SOP means standard operating procedure, means step by step instruction compiled by an organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. Second is safety measures must be placed to prevent workplace accident. We learn in the previous one. Immediately call the medical team for any injury. If any injury, immediately call to the medical or doctor. Stay alert when we are working anywhere and any company. We should be attentive and alert. Last is pay attention to and follow emergency drills. Thank you students for watching this video.